Last November, I was juggling 4 pay-in, 4 plans. My checking account hit $300, and late fees added $150 that month. Welcome to Dollar Hatch. Today, the complete deconstruction of the BNPL trap costing you $4,000 every single year. Learn the exact math and the one framework to escape. Skip this, and you work 2 weeks each year just to fund late fees. BNPL feels like a smart hack. Split a $200 purchase into $450 bites, but your brain is being tricked. Research shows BNPL users spend 30% more per transaction. A $200 cart becomes $260. That's a 30% stealth tax. My friend Mark used Afterpay for everything. He stacked 7 plans at once. His monthly payments hit $800 without him noticing. Late fees compound? Miss 1 payment? That's $25? Miss 3 across different services? $75. In a year, that's $900 if you average 1 miss per a month. But the real cost isn't just fees. It's what that money could have become. What if I told you $4,000 is just the visible layer? BNPL removes the pain of paying. When you swipe, you don't feel the full cost. It's why casinos use chips. MIT researchers call this decoupling. You are 45% more likely to make a purchase when you delay payment. Person A buys a $1,000 couch outright. Person B splits it. 3 months later, Person B spends $1,600 on furniture. But the trap tightens further when you see the late fee machine. This is where the math becomes brutal. Now, here is where 90% of people get blindsided. Late fees aren't the main event. The average BNPL late fee is $25 per missed payment. Across 4 loans, that's an extra $100 a month if you are juggling. I once forgot about a $40 payment. The late fee was $25. That's a 62% penalty on a tiny purchase. Imagine that scaling. And if you think that's bad, wait till you hear about the interest you're not even aware you're paying. Some BNPL plans charge 0% if paid on time. But miss a payment? Deferred interest kicks in at 25% APR retroactively. There's a silent wealth killer here, and it's not the fees. Most people never calculate this next number. If you invested the average $200 monthly BNPL spend in an S&P 500 index fund over 10 years, you'd have $35,000 instead of 0. I showed my wife this chart. She opened a brokerage account that night. Our BNPL accounts were closed by morning. Meet 2 25-year-olds. Sarah avoids BNPL. Jake uses it aggressively. Both earn $55,000. Jake pays $50 in late fees monthly. He spends 20% more due to decoupling. Total annual extra cost, $2,400 in fees and overspending. But what Sarah does with that money will make you rethink every payment plan you've ever signed. Sarah invests that $200 a month. At 8% returns by age 65, it's $527,000. Jake's BNPL habit cost him $500,000 in future wealth. Same salary, different decision. A 9-year window Sarah used and Jake missed. That's the compounding edge. BNPL doesn't build credit, but if they send you to collections, your score can drop 100 points. A 100-point drop raises mortgage rates by 1.5%. On a $300,000 home, that's $90,000 more in interest over 30 years. So far, we've covered fees and psychology, but this next number is what keeps CEOs up at night. 50% of BNPL users admit to buying things they wouldn't have bought otherwise. That's forced consumption. You are building someone else's dream. Now let's bring this closer. Imagine your next 5 years with 0 BNPL. What could you achieve? Take that same Sarah, now 30, earning $60K in Austin. She has canceled all BNPL plans. She redirects $200 monthly to a simple ETF. At 7% annual return, after 10 years, $34,700. After 20, $104,000. After 30, $245,000. That's a house down payment, a child's education, or early retirement, all from stopping a passive drain. Sarah's not special. You can be her. The math works the same for any income. It's not about earning more but losing less. You now have the blueprint. Recognize the trap, close the loops, automate your wealth. The levers are in your hands. Thousands have already used this to reclaim an average $3,700 per year. That's $308 each month back in your control. Hit subscribe and the bell. Control your financial future. Dollar Hatch is here to guide you every step. Next time, we re-breaking down the exact portfolio that beats 95% of fund managers. You won't want to miss the one fund Warren Buffett recommends. Remember, a dollar not spent is a dollar earned twice, once in the present and once in the future. See you in the next one.